way to the beauty supply store. I am running kind of late. My client is at 1 and it's 11:44, so I gotta hustle and do what I need to do so I can get back in time to set up for my client. I only need to get lashes from the beauty supply store, so that's good. So now I can go straight to one section, get them. I know exactly what type I'm getting. I hate when I'm running late, and it's always my own fault. Like, I was trying to edit a video this morning and I got caught up in it and just lost track of time. So yeah, so I will see you guys when I get to the beauty supply store. Okay, so we're just gonna run in here real quick and get the lashes. So these are the lashes that I got. I just grabbed different styles. My clients are really easy. They kind of wear whatever I suggest. I need to order those offline, but I just haven't gotten to it. I need to order some in bulk because I hate having to keep coming to the store. All right, so we are headed back to the house. Okay, so I made it back home. It's like 12:05. Hey, what's up, you guys? Good morning. It is 8:23. It is Wednesday, and it's time to get this day started. I have a client I need to go do at 10, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump in the shower and get ready for my client. My bag is already packed for her, and I will catch you in the car. Okay, guys, so I am on my way to my client. I got my bag in the back. And yeah, so I got about a 30-minute ride. I actually have some things I really need to get done today. I need to go to the cleaners. I really need to make a nail appointment. Like, I haven't had my nails done in 3 weeks. I gotta go to the grocery store again. And I think that is it. But if not, you guys will be right with me. So I'll see you guys later. So I've done everything I needed to do. I'm done with my client, and I went to Walmart and got everything that I needed to make this chicken parmesan. And I am headed home to cook. Hey y'all, good morning. So it is 9:47 and I'm gonna try to run to the nail salon and get these nails done because I got paint coming off of this one and this one, and they just look a mess, and I really don't have time for a pedicure. So I'm gonna see if I can just get my nails done and go another time for my pedicure. So it's 9:48 like I stated before, and I'm gonna see if I can get to the nail salon as soon as they open, because there's one particular person that I like when I go to a certain nail salon. My normal nail salon, I cannot go up in there without an appointment. So I will see you guys at the nail salon. Okay, so as you can see, I was not able to get my nails done. The girl that does my nails occasionally, she had a doctor's appointment and she took the entire day off. So in the meantime, in between time, I am going to go to Target. I need to get some plug-ins, and I'm going to go to Bath and Body Works and pick up a couple of candles, and then I'm going back home. I really don't need to be spending any money, but I want some candles. Now, I'm not going to go in. I normally buy like 5 or more, and plus I have coupons, but I'm only going to buy 2, hopefully. And I'm going to go in Target and get some Febreze plug-ins, and by that time it should be about 11:30, and then I gotta head to the house because my client will be there at 1 o'clock. I really need to find like a backup of my nail tech, if that makes sense, because on days like this, like, I really don't have time to make an appointment because I really don't know my schedule for the next couple of days. So whenever I get like the opportunity to just run out and go get my nails done, I need to be able to do that. And my main nail tech, she operates by appointment because everybody wants her. So yeah, gotta figure this out. So if you know any good nail techs in Georgia, more so in the Henry County area, list it down in the comment section. Like, I need some really good nail techs that accept walk-ins. I know it's hard to come by, but yeah, that accept walk-ins and that, you know, they're consistent. You get the same nail shape every time you go. You guys know what I mean. Drop it down in the comment section below. Let me know what candle you like from Bath & Body Works. Drop that down in the comment section below too. I like to try different things. And I'm like, I love Bath & Body Works candles. And like I said, I go in, I buy tons of them. Especially around the holiday time, I buy a lot. But yes, let me know which your favorite so I can try that out and see if I like it as well. Okay? I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, so I ended up getting 2 of the Midnight Blue Citrus candles, and those are one of my favorites. I really didn't feel like trying anything new today, and a lot of the scents are more for the fall. Also because the container matches my decor in my house, so you know, can't go wrong with that. Even though I have the little candle holders, it still looks good when your glass is, you know, the actual container matches. So that's why I got that. And I'm gonna head into Target. Okay, so guess what time it is, guys. I got out of there just in time. It's 11:27. Got my plugins, and I'm headed to the house. And it's hot. Oh my God, it's so hot. I don't know if it's because I'm just running around or what, but in my car, the dash says 87 degrees. And 87 in Georgia is not bad, but oh my God, it feels super hot. These are the plugins that I got. It's like my favorite scent for the house. It smells so fresh. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those in, and then my candles. That's the ones I got. Wrapped it up really good. So this is the one that I ended up getting. It smells so good. Hey guys, so it's 10:54 Saturday, and guess what? I actually got my nails done yesterday, but I forgot to turn my camera on. I was running around crazy the entire day. It was just crazy, but yeah. So my nails are done, and this color is by D&D, and it's called Violet Pink. I love it. Reminds me like bubblegum pink. So anyway, but I'm headed back to the nail salon now because I need to get my pedicure. And I didn't get it yesterday because I thought I had a client. Well, I did have a client, but the client canceled on me last minute, which is totally unacceptable. That's one reason why I really stopped taking clients like that, and I only, was servicing those that are my loyal clients, so to speak. It messed up my entire schedule, and that will never happen again. I promise myself.